Hey guys, here's everything, or almost everything I brought for a 2 days adventure or even 3 days adventure in the Alps, without climbing, with no rappelling, only basic mountain, not mountaineering. It's like trekking and sleeping outside with no huts and with everything in the backpack. So have fun. At first, let's start with the backpack. This time I was using von Klettermusen the Tor 80. It's an 80-liter backpack and everything you can see here fits inside. For clothing I have softshell pants by Klettermusen, a merino shirt by Armadillo Merino, boots from Hanwag. They are not mountaineering boots, they are like trekking boots or military boots, so just okay for what I'm doing right now. Then just a cap. In my pants I also have a beanie from Merino and a windproof beanie. Then here's even more clothing. A windproof jacket. It's a really lightweight and thin softshell jacket from Black Diamond. Then a rain jacket from Carinthia. It's only protecting from rain, so it's only Gore-Tex layer, because this protects from wind and is highly breathable. And this protects from rain and is less breathable, but still breathable. Then, to protect me from the cold, I have this insulation jacket. In this case, Arc'teryx Cold VX jacket. It's just perfect for the temperatures right now, or tonight, not right now. Then a Gore-Tex pants from Arc'teryx, but the light version, I can just wear this over my normal pants to protect me from rain. Inside here I have some camouflage material for my body, my tripod and a camera from Ghost Hood. Made a special video about this, but right now I'm not out here for doing wildlife photography. I just brought it to make some pictures and the video. Inside here I have spare socks and one more underwear, one short pants. Then my bag with food. The food is inside a lightweight day pack by Osprey, because that way it's really easy for me. If I set up everything and I need a small backpack, I can go with this one. And inside here are energy cakes, my coffee, it's tea, and my warm meals, mostly Track and Eat, and also muesli. Then I also bring snacks like nuts, and again more energy cake. Those are high calorie energy bars. A folding cup, so it's relatively compact and I can fold it up so it is bigger. I use this for my tea and my coffee. Then a stove for heating up or for cooking the water and for boiling water. In this case from Soto, the Stormbreaker. It uses benzene and it works in almost all temperatures, and right now I'm testing it and I will put online some more content to it as soon as I have tested it enough. Then one cooking, sorry, my English sucks sometimes. Yeah, the metal thing where you can cook water in, and inside here is the stove itself. This is only a bottle with the fuel. Here I have from Hydra Pack 2 Seekers. Each of these can fit 3 liters of water. I added slings so I can carry them around really easy. And when they are empty, they are really compact and they are lightweight. Yeah. And then my water filter is a Katadyn B3, and the filter element even fits on top of these bladders or of these flasks. And here this Katadyn B3 also has got a 1 liter flask. So I can carry 7 liters of water if needed, but this is mainly for redundancy, or if I'm, like right now, my tent was here and my water source is some meters away, I can pick up 6 liters of water and I can use it for cooking and for drinking, and I have enough water at one place. Then, when you cook and you eat, there is trash and litter. And for this, I have this watertight bag or waterproof bag from C2 Summit, and I made it to my trash bag. Yeah, I like this because it's easy to see, so I can always find my trash bag and I can seal it so the smell cannot come outside, and also the oils and the remainings from the food cannot come outside. Now to my sleeping setup. My tent is a Hilleberg Unna. It's a one-man tent and also my equipment fits inside. It's really nice when I'm on tour and have some space to set it up. I really like this tent. My sleeping mat this time was Expat Sinbad 7. It's really thick. I put it inside my backpack, but sometimes I'm using only a foam mat, then it's lighter, and then I place them outside of the backpack. My sleeping bag is inside this bag. It's again waterproof and it has got something where air can get out, and then I push it and air cannot come in, so I can really compress it and it's still lightweight. The sleeping bag inside is the Carinthia TSS Inner, if I remember right. It's a thicker one and it's just perfect for the temperatures right now. Then here is the top compartment of the backpack. Inside here I have a first aid kit where I also have got some survival things inside, like an emergency blanket, some cord, a fire steel and basic first aid things. Sunglasses, map and compass, really important. Additional to this, I have got a watch with GPS capability, so I mainly work with the watch and I record all my activities, and if needed I still have map and compass to go to. Here inside this I have got my power bank and chargers for my watch and also for my mobile phone and for the GoPro. Here a strong headlamp which I can use to make the night really bright, and I also have got an emergency headlamp in my pocket of my pants all the time. This is for hygiene. It's hand disinfection, toothpaste and something to wash. And an emergency BV bag, so when it gets really cold and I brought the wrong sleeping bag, or the tent has broken, or I just need to make me easy to see, then I can use this emergency BV bag to make me visible or to protect me from the cold when it's just too cold. Yeah, I'm a blogger, so I also bring my GoPro with spare batteries, a small tripod and my big camera. Today I brought two big cameras. This is one of them, the second one is recording right now. There's also a tripod. And yeah, I also have spare batteries and remote controls to the camera, so this is also a lot of weight. And most of the time I just use waterproof bags to pack the camera inside and then place it in the backpack, and then I use the insulation jacket to protect it from impacts. And yeah, that's it, quick and dirty. I hope you like this video. Make sure to check out my channel to watch other videos where you see how I use these things, and you can find a lot of different other videos. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.